This is a short tutorial that will show you how to hide grades in the Grade Center within Canvas so that students can't see them. A quick scenario for why you might want to do this is maybe you've given a test to students and you know you're going to curve or adjust the grades in some way before you want students to see them. And so you want to make that grade invisible until you're ready to post it. So let me show you how it works. If you want to hide a grade in the Grade Center, select the column that you want to hide the grade for. So I'm going to do it for this quiz. And when you hover at the top of the column, you'll see three little dots on the right-hand side up here. Click those dots and select Hide Grades. And you'll see a window pop in from the right-hand side. Now, if you have multiple sections feeding into a single Canvas course site, I recommend that you click specific sections up here underneath where it says Hide Grades, and you will see the sections that are feeding into your course appear there. Now you can see I only have one section that's feeding the sandbox. But let me show you an example. Here's a nursing class where there are three sections feeding into one Canvas course site. You want to make sure you click that specific sections button and you check the box next to each section. That will guarantee that all of the students and all of the sections are going to be turned off from being able to see this grade. The grade will be hidden from all the students in all three sections. So just be sure that you catch that step because we've seen where it appears that Canvas is hiding it from every student, but it's not. And so if you've got multiple sections, this is a very important step to make sure you select specific sections and you check those extra boxes. Once you've done that, all you have to do is click hide and you're going to see it's going to process. And then once it's done processing that, you'll see that it's now added a little icon to this column with an eyeball and a slash through it, which means now the grade is hidden from students. And so they actually, when they go out to their grade center, they see that little eyeball with a slash through it, and it tells them that you are working on the grades, but you've not posted them yet. So that's the little message that they see in the Grade Center. Now, when you're ready to post these back out there for students, you go back to the column, you click those three dots again, and this time you click Post Grades. You'll see the window come in from the side. Make sure it's at Select Everyone. If you want, you can, just as we did before, select the specific sections, and you can check mark all the sections that you want to make sure that they're able to see their grade, and then click Post. And you'll see that once it's done processing, this icon is going to disappear. So we'll give it just a second, and there it goes. And now students can see the grades in that column. And that's how you hide grades and bring them back out in the Canvas Grade Center. I hope this tutorial was helpful.